Hello guys! For today's video, tara samahan niyo akong mag-refill ng aking mini ref. Mahirap version, char! Ayer, nalinis ko na nga pala yan bago ako mag-restock. At syempre, enough ko muna. And that's all for today's video. Becca naman. React, comment, follow, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye!